Savage music.
Little Super Saiyan chef. Some or other, little Super Saiyan chef, you know?
Bitch, a little Super Saiyan chef, so break the game up like a ref. I'm up right now, bitch, fuck up next. I want that mouth, I don't want sex. Older cheffer, he be always flexing. I swallow pride with recollection. I'm pulling vintage cards out of my collection. I ain't got no time to talk, so just fucking tell. Bitch, this rapping shit is easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 or 2 blunts, Spartan, camo, rolling 3, 4 more. I'm just wondering, do you fucking copy? This is chef shit, so don't you fucking copy. I'm taking first place like a blue shell. How you doing, chef? Bitch, I'm doing swell. Shout out to my mom.
Yup, that's facts.
Yup. That's all I gotta say.
Yeah, my only shout out.
I'm so fucking sick of all this fucking fuck shit. Yellow Chevy does, bitch. I do this cause I does this. How they hate me today, but they gon' love me tomorrow. Bitch, I'm coolin' out with y'all. We be bang with Wells Fargo, saying that you a dog, but I ain't never heard you bark though. Sick of all you fucking Nakamaros. Oh, I think I'm guilty. I body beats with toe tags. Rhyme slow with my team. YBG, yo, that's your boy gang. We go, bitch, I'm back with a bang. I can't get no sleep, I'm getting to a bag. Say that your ass falling, and all I say is same time to and code without compression. They all lame. Hey,
The Super Saiyan chef.
I need some riz, ain't even listening to this whiz. What to Max, these hoes about shit. I pay no attention, they ain't legit. What to J, all of these hoes be trifling. Sneak up a sniper like a viper. Yet I couldn't care less to say with my chest. My actions speak louder than a distress. Useless. Smoking Cuban doobies like I'm Wiz. Don't fuck with me if you ain't bout the shit. If she ain't down, fuck the little bitch and skip. You know that Supreme money bout the biz. Several honeys all up in my crib, but like big bees when you walking in. Attitude like a fucking sting, yeah, the pussy sweet like it came out of 10. Wait, I mean a jar. See, I had to fix the bar. My skills come on par, and I heard you just a jar. Shit, you can spot it from afar. You can spot me from afar, cause I'm showing signs of a star. Come through like the last son of Mars. I'm trying to do giveaways like Oprah, trying to strike fast like a King Brown Cobra. Pull up and jacking, I leave it all over. If you are high, then I am at solar. Sip and lean till I fall over. Folding doobies like a fucking folder. Was a newbie, now I'm feeling older. Hard body, now I feel like gold. Straight back addict, like an addict. Blowing smoke like the zoo, automatic. Now we sip lean with a molly in it. Hip hopping like we fucking ribbit. Hip hopping like we eat carrots. I'm the shit, a nigga, you a maggot. She tripping cause I ain't finna chase. She said my attitude is fucking rude and it stinks just like the burning haze. You only upset cause I ain't phased. In fact, you're amazed, you respect my ways. And now you want a taste of the flames. You get burnt if you ain't tame. You get turned if you drown my wave. She's so concerned, man, it's a shame. For a second, thought she overcame. Fluctuate with the swag, I can keep it classy. Hoes moving sassy, or move like a ghoul that was a goon, blacked out looking ragged. She said I make it look easy, bad bitch like Alaise. Do me dirty, always teasing. Get her back when the time please me. Fuck her good till she wheezing. Fuck around, give her a seizure. Looking like she got a fever. She said she loved that I'm a pleaser. She said she loved that I don't need her. And I just fuck her and I feed her. Turn it up and maybe treat her, cause she don't really mind either. I need some riz, ain't even listening to this whiz. What to Max, these hoes about shit. I pay no attention, they ain't legit. What to J, all of these hoes be trifling. Sneak up a sniper like a viper. Yet I couldn't care less to say with my chest. My actions speak louder than a distress. Useless. I'm tripping. Trip. Triple hate you when I spit the flavor. Now they looking at me like a savior. I'm the role model of my worst behavior. Hot J with a cold heart, I won't save her. Come like Hercules when I break her. I'm about my music much as I am paper. I love my fans like I love my haters. She don't turn up, so I just can't rate her. She don't like anime, so I can date her. Ain't tryna fall in love, I'll do it later. She gave me brain, but claimed the Molly made her. Finish the job, though this ain't a favor. I can't stand a liar, don't fuck with traitors. I'm a man of my word and I will not waver. Supreme on my clothes, yeah, my shit be tailored. I'm sailing tsunamis like fucking sailors. Now she said she really liked the diss. Sipping lean, wish it was activist. Smoking weed, wish it was Cali shit. Bossy, but she saying just a tip. You only a beat while you tryna lips. Now you looking for reasons to love me quick. She hit me up saying she love my dick and she catching feeling you ain't catching shit. I'm calling it quits, swift. I kept it legit and you taking the piss. You fronted when you said you bout this shit. You broke your heart on the low real shit. I ain't really about this drama, no beat. Ain't tryna be a douche, but I'm finna dip. Ain't enough weed in my swisher for this. I'll call you an Uber, call your friend a gist. And you can go vent, but how I'm a prick. I swear these fronting hoes, they making me sick. Think they can cuff niggas up with their wit. It don't matter, cause I see through the vapors. It don't matter, yeah, I see through your makeup. I can tell, you just follow the paper. I need some riz, ain't even listening to this whiz. What to Max, these hoes about shit? I pay no attention, they ain't legit. What's the JR that these hoes be trifling? Sneak up a sniper like a viper. Yet I couldn't care less to say with my chest. My actions speak louder than a distress equals nest.
Little Super Saiyan chef, some or other, little Super Saiyan chef, you know.
Bitch, a little Super Saiyan chef, so break the game up like a ref. I'm up right now, bitch, fuck up next. I want that mouth, I don't want sex. Older chef, he be always flexing. I swallow pride with recollection. I'm pulling vintage cards out of my collection. I ain't got no time to talk, so just fucking tell. Bitch, this rapping shit is easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 or 2 blunts, sparking camo, rolling 3, 4 more. I'm just wondering, do you fucking copy? This is chef shit, so don't you fucking copy. I'm taking first place like a blue shell. How you doing, chef? Bitch, I'm doing swell. Shout out to my mom.
Yup, that's facts.
Yup. That's all I gotta say.
Yeah, my only shout out.
I'm so fucking sick of all this fucking fuck shit. Yellow chef regrets, bitch. I do this cause I does this. How they hate me today, but they gon' love me tomorrow. Bitch, I'm coolin' now we are. We be banking Wells Fargo saying that you a dog, but I ain't never heard you bark though. Sick of fucking